The Film Audience Network is a really great initiative, and I think something like this is a perfect example of collaboration.
It's important to see the sorts of films that you want to see wherever you are in the country. Part of it is that there are 9 film hubs around the UK that represent different regional areas, and any exhibitor in that area can be part of the film hub.
Cinema is an art form. It's a very accessible art form. We're introducing them to different languages, different cultures, things that you wouldn't get to see otherwise, maybe in a small town in the middle of Northern Ireland. It opens up the world.
Film is about bringing people together. It's about that shared experience, a good story, a good film. And if we just end up in our own houses downloading our own culture, we're really breaking a bond with an ancient tradition, which is communities coming together to share stories.
Cinema is superb. Maesteg and this area is the 5th most deprived area throughout the country, so I think it's extremely important, and initiatives such as this will enhance the arts within our communities.
I work for the only independent cinema in Northern Ireland, so there isn't really a peer there that I can talk to.
It feels through the Film Audiences Network that almost cinema has a voice that was missing when I first came into the industry.
If it wasn't for the likes of you people bringing this into the community, we'd have nothing. Thank you very much.